Hey, Nosy, you're being a little too rough with your sister. You're so cute. Little Jaden and Nosy Rosie playing and having a good time. Look at that. Dinner time. Dinner time. That's little Ava. Hey, Ava. Meow. Ava's the runt. Jaden is trying to climb up my pants leg. Hey, baby. Hey, Jaden. Hey, Jaden. She's like running. She's trying to crawl up my leg. She's funny. Got these little claws going in my little legs. In my legs. Hey, Jay. Hey, Nosy. Hey, Nosy. Hey, Jaden. Yeah, Jaden's kind of come out of her little cell. Oh, look at those little play babies. Look at that baby. You're fast. You're fast. Get her, Jaden. Don't let her get you. Little Eva. Hey, Eva. Hey, Emerald. And Baby Blue. Little Bella Blue. And Jaden is trying to crawl up my leg again. Trying to crawl up my leg. Yes. Hey, baby. Hey, Jaden. What you doing, baby? What you doing? What you doing, Jaden? You watching your sister? Oh, and Eva's trying to play too. Hey, Eva. So I'm more interested in getting my food and water before I go to bed. They like the litter box. They like the litter box. Nosy and Eva are going to play. Eva's trying to play with